It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Today is Sissy's birthday, and we're gonna make her 3 cakes. This one is a new one, and this one is a new one, and this one is a new one. They're all different types of cakes, and this. When she's done making them, we're gonna try them out.
All right, so Brittany is having her 20th birthday tomorrow, and she never remembers which kind of cake is the kind she likes. So we bought devil's food, milk chocolate, and chocolate fudge, and we're going to bake all 3 to do a taste test to see which one is the best.
Yeah, I think this one's the best. Mom, I think this one's the best.
They all have the same ingredients. 1 1/4 cups of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Now we'll add in the cake mix. How's it coming, Em? All right, Emmett's going to try the batters and tell us which one's the best. Try this one.
That one is better.
The middle one is the best one. All right, that one's the fudge.
The fudge is my favorite. Yeah, fudge. Fudge. Mom, is mine fudge that I mixed?
It is.
Fudgy. This one's the best.
Ooh, he votes for the devil's food. You tried them too, right? What do you think?
I did. I think the devil's food is definitely the best.
And I like the devil's food the best. So we have 3 votes on the devil's food batter and 2 on the fudge. The milk chocolate batter is not really good at all. We've got them into the pan. We have 1 row of milk chocolate, 1 row of fudge, and 1 row of devil's food. And we will cook them up for our taste test. And the rest of the batter will go towards her birthday cake. We tried them. We can tell a distinct difference with the milk chocolate. It's much drier, it's not as moist, it doesn't have the real strong chocolatey flavor. It's more just kind of plain. It's good, but not great.
Not the best.
The other 2 are very moist, the fudge and the devil's food. But it's hard to tell a difference between the 2. What do you think?
I think those 2 taste identical. And the milk chocolate is not as great, but it's still good.
You don't have to be quiet.
All right, our taste testers are here and ready. They each have a piece of each of the 3 kinds of cake. So let's try the first one.
I like that one because it's kind of like spongy. It's like not hard. It's not. I think it's devil's food. I like it.
I like it because it tastes like hot chocolate, and I like hot chocolate. I like it because it's not too chocolatey. It doesn't have like less of chocolate taste.
I think it's just like milk.
That one it's super chocolatey, and it tastes pretty good.
It's a lot more chocolatey. It's the same texture as the last one.
And it seems much more darker chocolate.
Which one was better, Em?
Fudge.
The first one or the second one?
Fudge. Fudge.
Thanks. All right, try the last one.
That one was really good because
That's pretty strong of chocolate.
it tastes like dark chocolate and
I
like a
think
dark chocolate candy bar. That one's the best, but it's not hard like a candy bar.
Let me. You can. And I think if it's milk or devil's food. I like it because it's pretty strong, but not that strong. I think I like the first one best.
I like the third one best.
I like the third.
The first one they tried was milk chocolate. The second one was chocolate fudge. And the last one was devil's food. Which one did you like, James?
Devil's food.
I like that kind.
You liked the first one, the milk chocolate?
I like the milk chocolate.
I like the devil's food. But all of them are good.
Now on for that cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you. Chocolate cake is a thumbs up.